Did you know that bloating isn't just about your meal? It's about your stomach muscles reacting. This feeling can be uncomfortable and frustrating. Enter peppermint. It's not just a candy flavor. It's one of nature's powerful antispasmodics. This humble herb has amazing healing properties. The secret weapon here is menthol. This amazing compound relaxes your digestive tract's smooth muscles. It lets trapped gas escape and relieves your pain. But here's the catch. Your homemade mint tea might taste weak. Why? You're just dropping leaves in water, which is a mistake. To truly unlock the mint's potency, you must wake it up. Take fresh mint leaves in your palm. Now clap your hands once. Hard. This slap action ruptures the leaves' cell walls. It instantly releases those aromatic oils. Now, pour hot, not boiling, water over the leaves. This method creates a flavorful infusion that will brighten your day. It's perfect for easing digestion. If you suffer from IBS, mint tea can be a miracle. But caution is key. If you have acid reflux or GERD, mint can worsen heartburn by relaxing your esophageal valve too much. So, slap it, brew it, and feel lighter instantly. For more 2-minute herbal hacks, subscribe now.